guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you are doing great and doing well. So today I am going to show you guys 4 different kind of hairstyles, and all of these hairstyles are like always very easy. But the best part is that I have tried to use different kind of things that we use in daily basis. Like I'm not use things that we do not actually use. So I've used the clutcher, I've used the clips, so I've used all those accessories that we actually use on a daily basis for our different kind of outfits, for like jeans and top or for a normal casual shirt. So I've tried to keep it as real as possible. So I hope you guys are going to love this tutorial. And also guys, if you are new to my family and you're watching this face for the very first time, then you really need to subscribe my Simply Braided family by clicking on the red subscribe button down below. And please do not forget to turn on the notification bell, because when you tap on it, you stay updated every time I post a video. And now let's start.